You have probably heard a lot about SOLIDWORKS Subscription Service. Let me tell you why 95% of our customers use Hawkridge subscriptions. Not only will you get the latest release of your SOLIDWORKS, but you will also get up-to-date service packs, free SOLIDWORKS professional exam certifications, exclusive Hawkridge standard productivity tools, Hawkridge Systems knowledge base, Hawkridge Systems 24/7 support website, interactive real-time screen sharing for problem resolution, live chat, and much more. Hawkridge Systems is the industry leader in support services. If you have a problem, don't waste your time. Let our local engineering experts help you. 90% of the time, our team of local SOLIDWORKS certified engineers will answer your call in the first minute. Try it out, see for yourself, and call our support team.